Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps on how to turn on Instagram notification alerts directly from your phone's settings. This simple process ensures you never miss an important update, message, or interaction on Instagram. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lets you manage all the applications installed on your device. Now, look for Instagram in the list of apps and tap on it to open its specific settings. Once inside Instagram's app settings, tap on Notifications. This is where you control all the notification preferences for Instagram. Here, you'll see a list of notification categories. Tap on Notification Categories to explore more detailed options. Under the Instagram notification categories, you will find a toggle switch for alerts. Simply toggle on the alerts to enable Instagram notifications. By doing this, you allow Instagram to send you alerts for likes, comments, messages, and other activities directly to your device. That's it. You've successfully turned on Instagram notification alerts from your phone settings. Now you'll stay connected and never miss out on any updates from your favorite accounts or friends. If you want to customize notifications even further, you can explore Instagram's in-app notification settings. But this method guarantees that your phone will allow Instagram to notify you in the first place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying up to date with all your Instagram activity.